Hey Uber drivers, got deactivated accounts blocking your rides? Don't panic. In 2025 you can reactivate your Uber account with the right steps. So open the Uber driver app and tap blocker on the home screen to see why you're deactivated. Common reasons include expired documents, low ratings, or safety complaints. Check your email for Uber's message detailing the issue. If it's for inactivity over 90 days, you're in luck. Reactivation is easier. After that, log into partners.uber.com or the driver app for expired documents like insurance or a license. Upload new ones under documents. For safety issues, take a $59 to $100 online course via 7-to-7 Experience or similar platform if offered. If deactivated for a false report, submit dash cam footage through the review center in the app to appeal within 4 months. Appeal and all contract support. You can go to help.uber.com and submit an appeal under account and payment issues. Provide clear evidence like insurance proof or a course certificate and stay polite. If no response in 7 days, visit Uber Hub or tweet Uber support. For permanent bans like fraud, you may need a lawyer or services like Driverly to push your case. And that's pretty much it. Check, submit, and appeal to reactivate your account. Guys, like and subscribe. See you in the next one.